going on, guys? Jake here. I've got a conveyor belt at the seamer that is chattering. So it's running pretty well, but every now and again it has that little like stutter that it's doing. I'm sure you guys have seen this on your machine as well. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So if we look down in here, we have a sprocket, and on this belt here, we have a very specific location where those teeth need to line up. Now, because of the angle that I'm trying to get it filming at, it's just barely this way a little bit. So every now and again, if that belt walks a little bit, it's not hitting inside these grooves right here and getting good action inside that sprocket. So there's two things I can do. One, I can loosen up the two collars that are on both sides of the sprocket and slide the sprocket over a little bit. The other thing I can do is this roller that's right here, that's going to be this bolt in the front. I can loosen up the hardware on both sides, on the front and the back, and I can shove that sprocket closer this way to make sure that I have as good of engagement as possible. Now, one thing that I've had to do before on older machines where the belt is really old and stretched out and you just got to get it running, one thing you can do is you can take these holes right here and you can drill them out a little bit bigger. That'll allow you to really move that roller closer to the sprocket to get really good engagement on that sprocket so your belt stops chattering for you.